Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Dion. I'm a photographer here in New York City. If you guys want to check out my work, see what I do, feel free to follow me on social media. That's linked below, IG and Twitter, for your convenience. Okay, so today we're checking out another song from a little subunit from Goldenchild called Singing in the Rain. Just kidding, it's not called Singing in the Rain. Oh, it's called Singing in the Rain. Okay, I thought I got that wrong. It's called Singing in the Rain. It says here JooChan and BoMin are the members that are doing this song. Now, like I said before, if you see my previous videos, I react to Poppin', which my jam, and then the other song, which I don't know the name of because it was in Korean, but that one on the beach I did, and off camera the other day I did. I saw Game, and that was a bop. So let's see what this is giving. I think this might be more of a ballad. So let's see. You're looking angelic, right? Oh, she's not. Okay. I forgot there's only two of them singing the song. I'm like, oh, all three of them look. She not in the group. Okay. Okay. I'm not polyamorous. What's happening here? Hold on now. Dang, he's a visual. Okay, I already love this. Already love this. I'm more a fan of a more up-tempo ballad like this. Does he want him or her? What's going on? They're watching the movie, Singing in the Rain. Not. He think he's slick. Oh. Oh, not them. Together. I like this. I like this. Come on, lips. Oh. Come on, third wheel. Does he want him or her? Y'all let me know the narrative. What is... That was awesome. Like I said before in my other videos, I'm loving this low budget presentation of these songs. It gives us more visuals to look at, give us a chance to learn the members for those who haven't learned the members. This is a jam. I like this song a lot. Let me know what you guys think below of this song and this video. What's the storyline? Because I'm like, hold on now. What's going on? If you guys enjoy watching this with me, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.